This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, bigger selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below. Morning, guys. It is July 5th, 2018. This one here, I got a call for no cooling. So I worked at this guy's house before. He's got a couple of Goodman units over there, so on my way over there to see what's going on with it. No cooling on one floor. This one don't seem to be cooling. That one seems to be cooling, but not that one. I don't know if the compressor's even running on that. Don't seem to be. I think just the fan's running. This one's sucking air in here and blowing out here. Not good. Compressor's not running. See it? That should be about 70, so the compressor's not running. We'll have to find out why. Gotta shut that off. I ain't gonna be sucking in them fumes. Sometimes the compressor wires burn off. See the capacitor's puffy? That's probably the problem right there. I'm going to change that capacitor. That should probably take care of the problem. See how puffy it is? What do we got there? 35.5. Alright guys, so I got a 35.5 here. There's the fan. There's fan. And this should be the Herm, which is the compressor. And the other two will be common. Common, which is the red and the purple. Red and the purple are the common. We'll see if it starts now. I put the new capacitor on there. That's odd. We'll run it, we'll check the super heat. I know this is a piston, it's a Goodman unit, so. Wet bulb 74, which is pretty high, and we're 80. Well, super heat should be about 32.